Today we are going to learn about third chapter of ICSE's 10th board, that is acid, base and salts. So there are three things in chemistry. First is acid, which sour in taste, base, which is little bit bitter in taste. And once the acid and base combines together, they will give you salt plus water. That is a neutralization reaction that we have learned in 9th standard. Today we will see a comparative study of acid, base and salt, and one more term has been added, that is alkali. We will see that. First it is acid. A compound when dissolved in water yields H3O+. What is H3O+? H3O+ is hydronium ion. So HCl, it's in aqueous phase. It's a reversible reaction. When arrows are in both direction, it shows that this reaction is reversible. That from left to right also it is possible, and after it gives H plus and Cl minus, it might come back also. It comes back and it gives this H plus and Cl minus, because they are oppositely charged, they'll react and form HCl. So this is a continuous reaction between HCl and H plus and Cl minus. So HCl, when it is in aqueous phase, aqueous means when you are dissolving in the water, it gives you H plus and Cl minus. Now after that, here we have taken aqueous phase. Yes, because this is HCl, you are mixing in water. So let us see from the perspective of water. When HCl gives you H plus and Cl minus, this H plus will react with H2O, and this is also a reversible reaction and it will give you H3O plus. So HCl plus H2O, it will gives you H3O plus and Cl minus. If you will see it here, this HCl and H2O, it will gives you H3O plus and Cl minus. This we have learnt earlier, that from H2O the dissociation product will be H plus and OH minus. So from that you will get HCl and H2O and H3O plus and Cl minus. This H plus and H plus will get cancelled and OH minus will combine with H3O plus and it will gives you Cl minus. Now that is all about acid. So acid will gives you H3O plus ion, that is hydronium ion, when it is combining with water. This will true for any acid. Then base. What are the base? A compound which react with hydronium ion of an acid gives salt and water. This is same as neutralization reaction. So base will react with hydronium ion as good as when it is reacting with acid, because acid gives you hydronium ion, and here they have given when base reacting with hydronium ion, it will gives you salt and water. For example, CuO, copper oxide, reacting with acid, that is HCl, it will gives us CuCl2 H2O. This is a salt and this is water. Again CuOH twice, copper hydroxide will react with acid. This is our base, copper oxide and copper hydroxide, both are base reacting with acid, it gives us salt. This is copper chloride and copper sulfate, gives us salt plus water. Then an alkali. A compound when dissolved in water yields hydroxyl ion. What is the meaning of hydroxyl ion? It is OH minus ion, hydroxyl ion. So NaOH, it's an alkali. So sodium hydroxide, it is in aqueous phase. When it is dissolved, when we are dissolving, it gives us Na plus and OH minus. So these are the hydroxyl ion, it will generate it when we are dissolving in water. So acid and alkali, when we are dissolving, it simultaneous, it gives respectively H3O plus and OH minus. Whereas base is a compound which reacts with acid or hydronium ion, it gives us salt and water. This is the basic idea about acid, base and alkali.